So how can you make sure that what you search on your iPhone is private? So let me show you some things you can do. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, to search something on the internet, right, through the iPhone, you have to use the web browser for it, right? So most likely it's going to be Safari, or you might be using Google Chrome or whatever. But the point is that when you open up the Safari, you're not going to be in the regular tabs view, which is the default option. So go to the all tabs and switch from the regular ones to the private. So you can see you switch to the private browsing, and this adds additional privacy layer and protections for a tab. So after you close it, nothing will be remembered, no pages will be saved, or history will be stored, none of that, right? So you can start and open a new tab, open up, the internet, and just start to search for something. Keep in mind, however, that you don't really want to be like signed into any like account in here, because you might go to your like search engine or something and sign in with your account there, but I don't think you should do that, because then the history might be saved not inside of the iPhone but in the like online search history for that account, right? So just make sure you sign out from all of these searches or whatever. So that is how I would do it. Of course, it works very similar on the like different web browsers. Like if you're using the Google Chrome or whatever, then you will be able to just do the very same thing. Go to the like private mode as well, like the incognito, that's how it's called, and there as well the history will not be saved. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.